What's up guys, Joey here of YugaTech, and Huawei has a new mid-range Y series device, the Y9 Prime 2019. Let's go ahead and check it out, but first, as always, let's take it out of the box. So first, when we lift up the lid, we're greeted by the phone itself, which we shall set aside for now. Then we have a smaller box containing our free clear case, paperwork, and a SIM ejector tool. Next up, we have our USB-C charging cable. Good job, Huawei. Of course, the charger and a pair of earphones. So the Y9 Prime 2019 comes with a huge 6.59-inch IPS display with a resolution of 2340 by 1080. The notchless, almost bezel-less look is quite attractive, I must say. The chin is a little bit wide, but it doesn't take that much away from the all-screen design. The phone feels premium but comfortable when held in the hand. Taking a look at the back, we get a glass-like finish on the plastic constructed back. One thing to note about the finish which I really like is that we get a sort of two-tone colorway. Our unit here is in the emerald green color, with the upper half taking on a slightly darker tinge compared to the lower half. Here we can find the triple rear camera setup consisting of a 16-megapixel main sensor, 8-megapixel ultra-wide sensor, and 2-megapixel depth sensor. Below them sits the LED flash as well as the fingerprint scanner. On the right side, we have the volume and power buttons, which might be a little bit tricky to reach with one hand if you have smaller hands, but still they're nice and clicky and tactile. We get the notchless design, of course, thanks to the 16-megapixel pop-up camera that rises from the top of the device. Beside it, we have a dual hybrid SIM tray for either 2 nano SIM cards or 1 nano SIM card and a micro SD card. Down at the bottom, a sweet USB-C port, a headphone jack, microphone, and a loudspeaker. So the Y9 Prime 2019 runs on a Kirin 710 chipset and 4GB of RAM. It's the same setup we've seen it from phones last year, such as the Huawei Nova 3i and Honor 8X. But to give you guys an idea on how it performs, check out these benchmark scores. So yes, the Kirin 710 is a really good chipset for just basic overall performance and pretty much any task, be it something as basic as social media to something meatier like playing games with heavy graphics. For software, we get EMUI 9 on top of Android 9 Pie, and for battery, we get a good 4000 mAh capacity. Checking out the rear cameras real quick, the device can deliver pretty good shots with adequate sharpness and color, especially when shooting in nice natural lighting. The selfie camera as well can give you nice shots under natural lighting, good enough to be posted on social media. The Y9 Prime 2019 is priced at 12,990 pesos for the 4GB RAM 128GB storage variant. If you guys want to know more about what the Huawei Y9 Prime 2019 can deliver in terms of performance, cameras, battery, and more, please do stay tuned for our full review. And if you enjoyed this video, please do drop a like, subscribe to our channel for more content, hit that bell icon so you don't miss any future uploads, and be sure to visit YugaTech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. This has been Joey, and I'll see you guys in the next one.